Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of the Felicity Jane Kit for the month of May. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and so I wanted to, hurry up and unbox it so that I could show you like the projects that I intend to do with it. And hopefully I have the time to edit the video so that I can upload it hopefully within this month. But you guys know I haven't even, as of today, I haven't even shared the one from last month. So I've already kind of have everything out. You guys know that I saved the ribbon and the gift paper. But this month the name is Capri, can't pronounce that. Capri, I want to say. I don't know. I'm sure I'm messing that up. And I wanted to show you all the pieces that came with this kit. Honestly, Felicity Jane is the only subscription company that I have. I had a few last year. Which one was the last one I had? I kept Felicity Jane and Citrus Twist, but now I just have Felicity Jane. And I love that every kit you get a little bit different pieces. And I also love the quality of this. It's such good quality, you guys. And so we're gonna start. Now, I have thought about, I wanted to do something specifically for the brand because I actually enjoy the brand, you guys. And I was thinking, why don't I do an album, right? And create like pocket pages of just a Felicity Jane album. And I kind of love the idea and I want to do that. So every month, with the kit, I'm going to create pocket pages layout, maybe one or two, because I also want to use the kits for my scrap therapy. I actually used it last month and I believe I shared the video with you. Maybe I didn't, but this is the layout that I created with a few pieces of last month's kit. And oh, I did this one also. I'm not sure if I shared that. But this is using leftovers of that crepe paper fresh bouquet. So it's the same scraps of paper that I used for these pocket letters that I'm doing. But this one is using the Felicity Jane kit. So I still want to use, I have enough, trust me, you're gonna have enough to create 2 to 3 layouts, maybe even more. So I want to use the kits to create for myself for scrap therapy or for whatever other, maybe I want to do it in my yearly album. But I also wanted to create, and I got this album specifically. This is a 6x8 and it's by scrapbook.com and it's like in a bubblegum pink and I just love that. I think it goes really well. It's a bit, I was hoping for like a soft pink, but I couldn't find it. So I just settled for the bubblegum pink. And you guys, the albums from scrapbook.com are such a good quality. The pages are such a good quality, like the inserts. And I also love Simple Story albums. They are like my 2 go-to because they're such good qualities. And so I was thinking that from this point on, I am going to create pocket pages with the kits, leave them blank, just kind of decorate them, embellishment, leave a spot for like a photo, maybe 1 or 2 photos. And then at the end of the year, when I collect all these layouts, I'll just end up doing the album as a giveaway. With all the pages from Felicity Jane already included in there. Again, my intent is to use the kit to create one solid album of nothing but Felicity. And then, how do I say this? It's almost like I'm creating an album and like a monthly spread of all the kits, so I'm kind of collecting the kits in like layouts, if that makes sense. But I also want to use the kits for myself, for my own pages, and for my own kid stuff, you know, documentation and stuff like that. Not documentation, like documenting my own family things and things like that. So okay, rant over. Let's focus. So this is Capri again. It's just a cutie little girl, and this month we get like a rainbow washi tape. Then we also get a 4x6 stamp set that is, what is it talking about? Oh, it's like a pie chart. So you're basically putting like levels of what you're reading, listening to, loving, watching, your routine at the moment. Pretty cool. It's basically documenting your current activities. So that's the stamp set. Then you get the puffy shapes or stickers. That's what that is. Then you get a 9-piece tags. I'm just gonna take them out so you guys could see. Again, you guys, I cannot express with words like the good quality of this until you see it for yourself, or you get to experience your first kit. And you don't have to subscribe. Just go to the website and you could buy the pieces individually, or you could buy older kits without having to subscribe if you don't want, if you're unsure, if you want to commit to something like that. But it's such good quality. I love this. Okay, so those were the tags. Then this one is just honestly like a smaller version of the puffy alphabet stickers. And I'm sorry about that. I don't know if you guys can hear, but one of my neighbors is like weed eating or edging, and it's like so late at night. What time is it? It's like 8:20, but I guess because it's still light, they're out here doing their work. So this is the 3x4 journal cards, and again, these are single-sided usually. Look how pretty the colors are. This is a pretty one right here. I love that. And those are the journal cards right there. And then the pieces, these are the die cut shapes. Let me open it. Again, you guys, such good quality, such good quality. A little bit more of like clipboards right here. They could be used as tags, but I think they're meant to be like clipboards. And then some more label pieces. It's just gorgeous. And again, you won't be able to, I wish you could just feel the quality of these. Just a few tags and a few labels and a few more shapes. And these are the pieces for this month. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. And then the last thing that I'm gonna share with you guys is the paper pack. Let me go ahead and open that. And you guys know I saved this piece. You have some floral and then some diamonds on the back, almost like a quilt pattern. Some hearts and then some chevron. Can you guys see that, or do I need to zoom you out a little bit? Oops. There. Oh, there you go. So that's that one. Then you have some diamond shapes and the strawberries in the back. Some spots, black and white spots, and then some scallops in the back. You have some diagonal lines and then some graded dots on the back. You have some stripes here, and then some black and white triangles, and then you have your solid colors. This is like a pink or coral one. No, this is the soft pink. And then this is like that mint blue, which is typical of their brand. And then the darker greenish, bluish color. And that is going to be it, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and honestly put all of this back in the box just like it is. I don't even bother with the plastic because I like to keep everything together until I start working on the project or the album. Oh look, I forgot to see this, but you also get like these little chipboard pieces of like, what are these, like little star symbols for confetti. So, and they're the different colors. The colors match the collection. So that's, I missed that, but that's in there as well. And like I was saying, I like to throw everything back in the box until I get to working on the project that I'm gonna be working on using this stuff. So I think, like I told you guys, that I am going to work on creating pocket pages for this. I think the album, just imagine by the end of the year when you have multiple pocket pages, it's gonna look beautiful because the brand sticks to the same colors and they kind of combine their kits like every month. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.